Good morning children, welcome to online class. Children, in previous class I taught you our world and our country and given you notes. I hope all of you completed your notes from description. Today I will teach you about the animal world. Children, what is the animal world or animal kingdom? Animal world, that is a category of living organism comprising all animals. Compare plant kingdom, mineral kingdom. When we look in our surrounding, we see different kind of animals. Different kind of animals are there. Animals are found over the world. They differ in sizes, shapes, colors and in kind of places they live. Animals are living things. They need food, water, shelter to live. Different type of animals we see in our surroundings and say, first, wild animals. Animals that lives in forest and are responsible for getting their own food and water are called wild animals. Some of wild animals we can see in zoo. Lion is called the king of forest. Lion, bear, deer, that is the example of wild animals. Next is domestic animal. Those animals that depend on humans for its shelter, food, water are called domestic animals. Pet animals are domestic animals that are kept for companionship. Example, dog, cat. Next, farm animal. Farm animals are the animals that are reared for a purpose, that is for their meat, their milk, their hair or something else. Example, cow, goat, sheep, etc. Next, land animals. Animals that live primarily on land is called land animal. Example, horse, elephant, buffalo, etc. Next, water animal. Water animal. Animals that lives in water are called water animals. Example, whale, dolphin, etc. Next is birds. Birds are the animals with feather, wings and two legs and a beak. Without teeth, most of the birds fly, but some birds can swim in water also. Example is duck. Next is insects. Animals that has 6 legs and generally 1 or 2 pairs of wings are called insects. Insects are the largest group in the animals kingdom. Example, housefly, butterfly, etc. Now see, we learn here different kind of animals in the world. Now in your book here first question is given, fill in the blanks with words from the box. Here some words are given in the box. From there you have to select the correct words and fill in the blanks. First one is, elephants are warm-blooded animals. Second one, the camel is called the sheep of the desert. A family of lion is called a pride. Fourth, all insects are born from eggs. Next, 5. Frogs have webbed feet. 6. Parrots have hooked beaks. 7. Honeybees make wax. 8. Butterflies do not have backbones. 9. Fish breathe through their gills. Cuckoos do not make their nest. All can see dim in day-night. A dog was the first animal that traveled in space. A lizard tops its tail when attacked. Same way we have to write these things in your copy also. Next question is here. Put a tick mark for each correct statement and cross for the wrong ones. Here statements are given. In front of the statement you have to put the tick mark or cross mark. For right answer you have to put the tick mark. For wrong answer we have to put the cross mark. Here first one is the blood of all insects is red in color. That is false. Frogs lay their eggs in water. True. The wings of a bat have no feather. True. The earthworm is a beautiful insect. False. The octopus is a sea animal. True. Next 6 number. The camel stores water in its hump. Is false. 7. All snakes are poisonous. Is false. Next 8 number. Most apes have long tails. Is false. Next 9. Snakes do not chew their food. Is true. All animals have sense organs. Is true. Next question number C is given here. Some animals are associated with certain characteristics. Complete each by applying the correct animal. Mohan is as faithful as a dog. Anu is as slow as a snail. Meena is as proud as a peacock. My grandfather is as brave as lion. Abdul is as cunning as a fox. Number 6. She is as hungry as a wolf. 7 number. He is as industrious as an ant. Next 8 number. Rahim is as strong as an ox. 9th one. He is as meek as a lamb. 10th one. The beggar is as blind as a bat. Now again in question number D, choose the correct words and fill each blanks. Here again some words are given. From there we have to select the correct words and fill in the statement. First one, silkworms feed on mulberry leaves. Second one is, it is good to be as busy as bees. Third one, swimming birds have webbed feet. Fourth one is, most insects have 6 legs. Fifth, a spider has 8 legs. Sixth number, the dragonfly has 4 wings. 7. Most insects have 2 wings. 8 number, dogs are mammals. 9 number, a kiwi has no tail. 10. A chameleon changes its color so as to protect itself. Now again E number, put a tick mark for each correct answer. Here some statements are given and 3 options are given. You have to select the correct option. The smallest bird in the world is hummingbird. Correct answer is hummingbird. Second one, insect smell through the air. Here 3 options given: nose, mouth, antennas. The correct answer is antennas. The ladybird is, here option is a worm, an insect, a bird. The ladybird is an insect. Next one, fourth one, while flying a bird changes its direction with its. 3 options are feet, tail, wings. And correct answer is tail. Now same way all these questions that fill in the blanks and options also you have to write in your copy or book.